Hey everybody, it's Neil and I've been doing some running and biking and stuff and figured, hey, let me get some of these leg compression things. One of my sons has one of these and says, oh, it's so great. Gotta get one. So, figured we'd try this one here. This one is by ANMODASHI. It's an air compression for your legs. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we have the power adapter. That's what came in there. And then pretty much that's it. There's just the box with the instructions. I'll put that over here. I have to keep things fairly neat in my house, otherwise my dog will get it. Okay. So these are them. So it's like we've got two of these and we have a controller unit in between. So this is going to be the controller unit and these are going to be the leg devices. And that's the plug. So let's see if we can plug this thing in. Hopefully I'm close enough to the outlet. So it will work. We will see. Close. Yes. Okay, so here's the plug. And here is the contraption. I have to do it with this hand. Cut my finger. Okay, so here we go. And here is the lighting up of the settings here. And let's see what happens. Let's see where our feet go and everything. Let's take these, unplug, and these are going to be the air pieces. So let's see how this is going to go. Let's see, how do we do this? It's going to be long. Okay, so this is going to be how it goes. I don't know which leg is which. Let's see how it's going to be. It looks like it's going to go to the outside is where it will open and close. So this is going to be my left leg. And the other one's gonna be my right leg. So let's aim me all down here a bit. So this is gonna be my left leg. I guess probably need to open this all up as I go. Right? Well, let's see. And I'm going to here. Wait, like all the way up there. Okay, there. And then this is for my foot. Oops. Which I guess I have to open and put it back in there. What am I doing? Okay, forget it. I gotta go back to the old school way. Just open the stuff up and figure it out. Okay, there. Take the string out of it. Okay, my foot will go in here. My leg will go there. My knee goes here. And everything else goes up here. Okay, so there's one leg, all configured. Let's do the other one. It should be easier, except it's got all the stuff in it. Okay, this my foot in here. Too. Probably gotta start off with it somewhat tight. Okay, this goes here like that. My knee goes over my knee. There, and this one right there. Okay, we are all configured. At least all put together. I'm gonna put this back in here then. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We have heating, position, pressure, pressure up, pressure down, and mode. So power, I hear it making noise. I feel it filling up my feet. Okay, so let's see. Mode selection is up there. Oh, it's kind of got the mode selection. Oh, it says mode is 1 and can't think of, is it intensity or healing? I don't know what that word is. So mode selection, strength, hot compress indicator. Oh, that was heating. Hot compress function key, air pressure, massage mode, hot compress indicator, foot massage indicator, calf massage indicator, whole leg massage indicator, air pressure reduction, and power key. Okay, So here's all the stuff here. So if you need the instructions, it's all on this page here. So you can probably pause it and zoom in. I am going to play around with some of these things here. Let's see if I turn heating. Oh, I can see heating there, mode 1. So I think heating is off at this point. Wow, I feel it. Oh, this feels good. It's like right back here where it needs to be. That's where it really hurts. I guess because I did biking today, that's where I can feel it back there. Oh, this is good. So this is what it's doing. So it's just kind of compressing different areas, I guess. Or is it I don't know. It might just be compressing the whole thing at once. It's hard to tell. No, it's compressing different areas at a time. That's kind of cool. Position. Oh, okay, I can say foot, ankle, or shank. So that's why it's got the different areas. And then I can increase the pressure and decrease the pressure. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, so this thing is awesome. So this is it. So, I mean, I'll see how it goes. I'll use it for a few days, see if my legs are feeling like butter or something after it's done. But it feels good. It's doing its thing. It's fairly quiet. I can sit there and watch TV while it's doing what it's doing. That's really nice. So this is the leg massager, kneading relaxed shiatsu charming leg. So that's what it is here. And I like it. It's good. I like the little screen thing here. I have a hard time seeing it just with all the lights going on here in the room, but get the idea. Totally cool. Feels good. Thumbs up.